Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a dot charger, and if you need to find the fuses for the ignition switch, stay with us, we'll explain where they're located. You have them in two different fuse boxes, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, how to test fuses, relays. We're going to explain that as we go, so let's go ahead and cover that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. What we have here, 3.6, but even if you have a different engine dot charger, it will work as well. Two of the fuses for the ignition guys will be actually located here in that fuse box that's in the engine bay. Talking about that fuse box will be one of them. So what you do here, you go ahead, you have two tabs, you need to squish towards each other. When you do that, you lift it up, you can pull it on the side, and okay, you can see right here the fuse numbers here correspond to what we have right there, the layout as well. The first fuse that you will need to check guys, okay, for the ignition, you may have this one or you may not, it really depends guys, okay, on the configuration and year, but it will be known as fuse number F07, okay, F07, it will be this fuse right here that you need to check. Then we have fuse number, you need to check fuse number 24, okay, it's very important as well. So if you come right here, it will be this last fuse right there needs to be checked. So these two fuses needs to be checked, and then we have one more that's actually located in the trunk fuse box. The second fuse box is practically located in the trunk, so we need to get to it now. So the trunk fuse box is right here, and all you have to do is just pull the carpet liner, okay, and right here you have the battery. This is the fuse box here. How do you guys remove it? Okay, right here we have one tap, pull open, okay, and put it like that. Now we need to put it this way so it corresponds to what we have there, and the fuse guys that we need to check is fuse number F33 guys, F33. So that fuse now, okay, will be in this corner right here, F33, 1, 2, 3. We're talking about that third fuse right here, that 10 amp fuse, that's for ignition guys, okay. Right here you need to check that one as well. This is very important, ignition switch fuse right here, you need to test them. If you want to see how to test fuses, relays, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to do that. You will be able to do it on your own in just a few seconds, because if you think you have a good fuse or relay, you put it back in, you still have that problem, you may spend quite a bit of time and money to fix that problem, when all you have to do is test it, find out that it's bad. So check out the link if you need to do that, and if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, okay, link will be there as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.